Hi, I'm going to show you how to make an animated character and overlay it to a video. What you should do first is create an animation, and we need this animation to have a green background. This depends on which app that you are using, but using Animator you can have a background that is green the whole way through and have that as a background, and then all you have to do is create your animation. So I quite quickly made my little bee that buzzes off the page, and all I had to do is export that one, save it to my camera roll. The next app I have is called Green Screen by Tutoring. What I did here is, by starting a new project, I had my animation imported onto the top layer, and then I have my video on the bottom layer, and the video is just reality of a video, which is my backyard, and again my green screen, which has automatically been chopped out, and the bee is there. So all I have to do is, I'm just going to start it again to show you. So plus button, new project. I'm going to hit the plus button and I can select a source. So video, I'm going to grab that bee. I can preview it or just use it. And then bottom layer, again video, I'm going to use my backyard. Oops, not that one, this one's pre-made. Use this one. Alright, so we'll be able to have a little bit of a play. And there's my bee. The bee disappears and the video keeps on going because I videoed a little bit longer than what I needed. So all I need to do is see that red line is just where the bee disappears, and tapping on the video we can trim and we can get rid of the rest of the video that we don't need. And if I then hit play, there we go, and it'll just keep on looping. So it depends how you want this. If you want to keep on editing, if you want to add a couple more layers, if you want the animation goes from scene to scene and more video. But just as a sample, that's all I'm going to do. And all you then do is hit the save button, and it's exporting the video, and I can save it to my camera roll. And that's all there is to it.